swallowed it. Look at that, nice hook on. Still using that mini jig, that white pearl. Bass seem to like it right over here in San Diego. Using a 1/64 ounce. So I'm using really light line, finesse fishing for bass. The bass are usually hitting it on the drop. And then as soon as I see it, I'm using polarized glasses. So as soon as I see the bass, little nibble and little swallow, I set the hook. So as you can see, I'm gonna let this guy go. There's a bigger bass I'm trying to target, but these little guys, these little dinks, are catching. Oh man, he's right there. Got you. Using a 2-pound test. Big fighter. Yeah, nice fish. Woohoo! Look at this fish, nice looking fish. San Diego Creek fishing. Nice fish. Woo. It's probably a pound, a little bit more than a pound, but still nice fish. Very healthy fish. Look at the gold on that skin. Woo. Gets me so excited when I catch a bass like this in one of these creeks, because I know that the bass are thriving in this little creek that I always go to. I'm gonna let this guy go. Thanks for letting me catch you, buddy. Alright, go back to your family. I'm gonna let this guy go right over there. And he's gone. So when you're fishing for bass, try to look for structures and don't fish in open areas like that, because there's no bass. There's no bass like to hide, and bass are predator fish. So when you present a lure in a place where they like to ambush prey, they're gonna engulf that lure that you present to them. So fish next to structures, all right, guys?